Badlands Trail explores the largest and most spectacular area of badlands found in Canada. Although common in some areas of the world, this terrain is rare in Canada, found primarily along river valleys in southern Alberta and Saskatchewan. Badlands are a stark contrast to the rolling, expansive prairies. Here, colors, textures, and shapes weave together to create an eerie world where imagination can roam among the pinnacles of hoodoos of stone. UNESCO declared the park a World Heritage Site in 1979. Over the last century, paleontologists have excavated over 300 dinosaur skeletons that are now displayed in museums all over the world. Cactus plants are very common in the park. The spines can easily pierce the sole of your shoe. In the summer, temperatures have been known to reach 47 degrees Celsius in the shade. About 14,000 years ago, the glaciers melted. The incredible force of the meltwaters swept away the till in this valley and exposed the soft rocks from 75 million years ago. The meltwater channel can still be seen as the Red Deer River Valley. Since the valley is about 5 times as wide as the river, we can imagine the amount of water that raged through the park area. If you look at the slopes, the water is forming little channels or rills on the rock. In a similar way, small gullies or coulees drained in the main meltwater channel, quickly eroding the Badlands landscape. Today the Badlands are eroding about 10 times faster than the Rockies, at about 4 millimeters per year. Through wind and frost have an effect, most of the sediment is loosened by rain and washed into the river. These reddish-brown stones are ironstone. However, iron makes up only 3% of the rock. When the rocks in the Badlands were formed, the groundwater was rich in iron. Where the chemistry was right, iron seeped into pores of sandstones and mudstones in varying degrees. The red color is just what would you expect of iron. When exposed to the air, it begins to rust, just like an old car. Rock with iron content is much harder and much more resistant to erosion. It forms most hoodoo cap rocks. The real origin and demise of the hoodoo happens by magic of water erosion. The hoodoos form where sandstone containing a hard ironstone layer starts to erode. The soft material on the top of the ironstone is removed, leaving a ledge. Erosion enlarges soft joints between the blocks of ironstone, creating separate pillars. Each pillar is left as a hoodoo, with the ironstone cap rock protecting the soft sandstone underneath. Erosion undermines the cap until it falls off. With the cap removed, the hoodoo pillar quickly erodes down to ground level. Mudstone in the park contains large amount of clay minerals called smectites. When it rains, these minerals swell up to 10 times their dry volume with water, becoming slimy and slippery. Smectites are made up of microscopic plates that slide against one another when wet. When dry, the surface of mudstones shrinks into large crumbs, earning it the name popcorn rock. Today, the Badlands are known to be a treasure house of fossils. Also, many painters and photographers have captured the mysterious beauty of the Badlands. We can appreciate it for its unique character and inspiring scenes.